Hey guys, so I don't know about you, but for me, it's summertime. You know, there's a lot of things I can do. I can sleep, read my book, ride my bike, go swimming, 3, 2, 1, bake some cookies. So to start the summer off, let's make my Sunshine Spectacular smoothie. So I just eyeball all of it. It's just some frozen mango, pineapple, and peaches, half a banana for a little bit of sweetness, frozen rice cauliflower. You won't taste it, it just gives it a little bit of more nutrients. Some yogurt to make it more creamier and thick. Now, of course, some milk. Screw on our blades. Look at that, it's levitating. Thick smoothie. Top with some yogurt and some granola. So now that it is summertime, every midweek around Wednesday, I'll be posting little fun shorts. Happy summer!